Hey Hamilton, my name's Anthony from DeWalt Chrysler. I'm here to show you the all-new 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara with the Altitude package. Sweet. What? Okay guys, to start off, I want to show you the front end of this Jeep Wrangler. As you can see here, the 7-slotted grille, this originated from World War II when they first created this vehicle. It's also blacked out because it's the Altitude package. You get the LED lighting as well, you get some tow hooks, and you get some fog lights beneath. We popped the hood because I want to show you what we have here. It's the 3.6 liter V6 engine with e-torque, creating 285 horsepower with 260 pounds-foot of torque. I want to move on to the side of the vehicle now. I want to show you the Altitude package gives you all black rims. You get the nice black Jeep badging as well, nice black side steps. And this is a 3-piece hardtop. You can take the T-tops off, or you can strip it down and take all of it off. There'll be a link below for you to follow along and know how to do it yourself. You get your 5th wheel that's attached to the back of the vehicle. You get your nice backup camera as well. And one thing I love about these Jeeps is they have lots of space in the back for all your gear. So here you have your storage compartment. There's lots of individual slots for all your hardware when you're taking off your hardtop, so nothing gets lost when you're doing so. Okay guys, now we're in the back seat. I just want to show you how much space there is back here. You got your nice 60-40 split, nice and easy, both fold up, headrests fold up as well. I also want to show you, you have electrical USB ports, 3-pronged outlet, your power windows as well, and some ventilation for your AC. Up top here we have some nice lighting for if you're needing light in the back seat at nighttime. And you also have your speakers for your 9-speaker Alpine stereo system. All right guys, making our way into the front seat now. I want to show you quickly, taking your T-tops off is very quick and very easy. It's just 3 buckles, 4th one here. Simply push off the top and you can store it in a bag that you have so it doesn't get scratched up. Another thing I want to point out to you is the leather trim seating, the bucket seats. Very comfortable, very durable leather, it's amazing. I also want to show you, you have 2 shifters here. One is to put your vehicle in drive, neutral, reverse, or park. The other one is to go into your 4-wheel capability system. Another thing is a nice leather wrapped steering wheel with audio mounted controls that helps you connect to your system. And on your dash here you have your heated seats, heated wheel, dual climate control, air conditioning. You got some media here in your windows. And then you have your 8.4-inch touchscreen that's equipped with the UConnect system that I will touch about very quickly. Here I'm going to show you the UConnect system a little bit. This is just a brief overview on how to use the system. Here at the bottom you have your different apps that you can select. Your media allows you to go from AM to FM, Sirius satellite radio. You have a preset of up to 12 different stations that might be your favorite. It's nice and simple, click and hold to set your favorite station. And you got your navigation as well. It's very simple to use, where to, you plug in an address and off you go. Your phone setting, this is amazing because you can connect your phone through Bluetooth. You can customize it to where you can set your favorite contacts as well. And the beauty part about this is you can access it from your steering wheel. So if someone's calling you, all you got to do is press the answer button and you can end it from the same spot on your steering wheel. You can customize this yourself. You can change the color, you can change the background. There's red, blue, orange, different patternings on the background. This system is very fun. I love using it, and you guys will definitely be impressed. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. The quick walk around of the 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara with the Altitude package. I'm Anthony from DeWalt Chrysler. Feel free to let me know if you want to come take one for a test drive. Alright, see you later.